It's on black bag. Neat. Look comfortable. Let me have knitted. Black bag and say 6,000 for this. Look. Kind of style. Nice though. Oh man. So if people call in and order, you make it full now. In the style and the shape. Rasta color. Knit. Comfortable. 45,500. Yeah? Same thing for this, 5,500. Rasta Jamaica bag. Who that? Oh! The money I will come, the bag in a camera. Yeah, and here we have. Wow, here we have the white bag. Style. The floral rubber. The French knit. It's for $7,000. Yeah. Put your things in this. Comfortable. Made and knitting. See it here, guys. Yeah. Nice, don't. Span it. Oh. Nice French with a French. See? Macrame style and angle. Ladies, we know not all of them bag here. Like nice, now like everything about it different. And anybody have that bag here. I'm say the bag here for $7,500. Yeah. Now kilo no. And now and me use and knit it, so see that? Back to this. Sophie. Bag here now. Another new one here. Bag here for 6,000. One a different bag from the other one. So nice on the back. 6,000 for this. I wanted a smaller one. See it here. Smaller one. It's about 6 inches. $4,900 for this. Guys, and the reason why they are so expensive is because I'm hand me use and knit them. So I don't know nothing Christmas now. So when I can give me a seal and see and niggle there. Yeah. It's a good look. It's a 4,009. So I'll go over them again. So I'll go to look. So bags. there, something there. Take off. Draw down. Lock. Yeah, good look. Save. Bag here 7,500. On here 6,000. Oh, yes, that. 6. So, 4,009. Guys, no go on discount. Bag them there. Black, full of black bag. So for 6,000. See? Nice. French. Jamaica. Bag.
So far, don't throw it away. Hold on to the end. Valley Mountain, there is a fountain, washes our tears all away. Words are swaying, someone is praying. Please let us come home to stay. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever, where clouds roll by. For you and I. When we are out there in the dark, we'll dream about the sun. In the dark, we'll feel the light warm our hearts, everyone. We hold on together. I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever, as high as souls can fly. The clouds roll by for you and
Yes, guys, so to the bag them here now, I have right now on sale. Yeah, so just want to call in and ask the price them and because I said these bags, them here, they are for $6,000. Yeah. And them bag are serve long. Have them for years, for years as a knit. Material they are so good. Yeah.
Put myself aside to do it your way, but now I need to do it all alone. And I am not afraid to try it on my own. I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I'll live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I'll keep it real. You know, time for me to do it on my own. Yeah. It's over now. I can't go back to living through your eyes. Too many lies. And if you don't know by now, I can't.
I'm gone. I'm gone now. See, I have the fringe over the bottom. For myself. I'm not afraid to try people. Yeah. I put up my stuff there. Yeah, man. Oh. And knit bags, yes. White. It's time for me to do it on my own. Guys, you know, say, Corona the panel, so I for just home sale. So you can call in, I'm gonna see the number. Just call in. So you see them bag here, Banya, 75. Ah. 7,000, 4,009. Oh, them nice. I must say, fool, don't want to be one of them rich and neat things, them. Yeah. I'm gonna discount Harley. Not funny. No way.
It's time for me to do it. See, I'm gonna try it on my own, and I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I'll live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I'm gonna keep it real. You know,
Man and woman rear them.
it's time for me to
Them
do
here.
it
Man and woman rear
on
them.
my
Rear them man.
own.
Rasta and Jamaica. One alone. Just look at my woman. That's the people, so see the bag them there. I want another one. You get it now. Chances is not there, I'm thinking them. I'm saying I'm gonna discount on them. Bag here, yeah? Man and woman wear them. Especially the Rasta one. Cash out. That's funny, they can. Them don't know what to do. Queen Africa.
Are you ready? 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 When the roll is called up, I'll be standing taller to face the darkest and the hardest of time. We'll be taking care
talking
on the
about bag
front
this
line.
morning.
You can call me by my name. I am ready to roll. Once the rules remain the same, how the story's been told.
What I say?
Call me
Ladybug. Black.
anytime, never cop out. Lioness is on the rise, don't you ever up down. Never say never, willingness forever to fight and be strong. Once it's for better, I write every letter and moving right along. And I'll roll with the punches, opposite the changes. Work with the formula, do what I have to do. And call me by my name, I am ready to roll. Once the rules remain the same, how the story's been told. Call me anytime, never clock out. Lioness is on the rise, don't you ever have down. When you are willing to serve, we have room to observe, to see if you can walk the walk you talk. Let me give you my word, my voice must be heard. Bravery is a piece of my heart. Call me by my name, I am ready to roll. Once the rules remain the same, how the story's been told. Call me anytime, never cop out. A lioness is on the rise.
Because we say, remember here, after 7.5. But we can get discount. Now when you have 4,009. So when they home, I feel like the look for work same money. It's a black bag. It's a 6,000 for this. How the stories. All my ladies out there, you know, like good things, strong things. Lioness is on the rise. Oh, me by my name. How the story's been told. Call me anytime. Once the rules remain the same, how the story's been told. Call me anytime. I'm ready, ready, ready. When you are willing to serve, we have room to observe, to see if you can walk the walk you talk. Let me give you my word, my voice must be heard. Bravery is a piece of my heart. Call me by my name, I am ready to roll. Once the rules remain the same, how the story's been told. Call me anytime, never cop out. A lioness is on the rise. Don't ever count out. When the road is colder, we'll be standing taller to face the darkness and the hardest of time. I make the school with a basic, and that's more than everything.
Some cry, some smile, some fight every day. We rise to the top, cause we know what it takes. Through it all we survive, yet still hold the faith. Unchangeable, Lord unchangeable. Hey, no matter how the dollar might stack up, me still not change, me I go stay rough. Inna the giddy and you have to buckle up your lace, be smart, don't be a gruff, no, no. Life it's a journey, it's a long race. Mama says son be wise and don't bring disgrace. So me take up the broom and start sweep the place. Cause all these ways they got to get erased. I love to me people that me embrace. The truth are the truth and that can't erase. So hell to all of those who want hate. Just send me to finish this race. So we ain't giving up now. We put up a fight. We got to be ready. Cause time's getting tricky. Just said don't you worry. I'll be in a hurry. No, we got to be ready. Cause time's getting tricky. So we pray, we pray, we pray, we pray, we pray, we pray. Let's not be flow when the prayer gone up. Not a heat we can harm us. Them think we don't know we just a warm up. Yeah, nothing on mind us. So me tell the youth so long, tell mama be strong. Lucky, I'm faith in God. We no know about man. Long time them a try bring me down, and not just now. From a very young, chat me every day with them funny tongue. Them a watch me on the telly now. Oh, yeah, ain't giving up now. We put up a fight. We got to be ready. 'Cause time's getting tricky. Just said don't you worry. I'll be the hurry. No, we got to be ready. 'Cause time's getting tricky. We pray, we die, we die, we pray, we
Christopher Martin.
Where would I be, love?
Look at us, see something there. I'm going to the bungalow here. Popcorn.
Yeah, you may say now. You know the boss is man. I tell us the life I greatest. Yeah, I don't care how much time them fight, them can't win it. Where will we go? When the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road. Mommy, we gonna start pull up in a fast car, yeah. I know fast start, make you want the fast part, yeah. I know you're feeling me. You know I'm feeling you. So what now we feel do, yeah. Hey, fancy. Oh, you asking, and no vacancy. Last time, see you on FaceTime, chatting up the place, bout in our relationship. Yeah, go put your one lockdown. Put your body on lockdown. You got me on lock now. Got me person on lock. Oh, if you let me, you should let me. You should let me. You should let me know. And if you don't know, better be let me. Better be let me. Better you let me go. Pulling up, pulling up, pulling up. Nobody deal with the bag and talking. And I feel now you're chilling in an apartment. Okay, I'm asked, where will we go? When the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road. Mommy, we gonna start pull up in a fast car, yeah. I know fast start, make you want the fast part, yeah. I know you're feeling me. You know I'm feeling you. So what now we feel you, yeah. Say you want trouble, we go whole valley. Say you hoping you love